So far it's performing pretty flawlessly. Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out this gel blaster, and wow, do you get a lot of stuff in the pack. So this is your ammo. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They give you this little target. So you got 2 targets right there. They give you the manual. Make sure you check out the manual and read it for more information. What? You get a magazine? That's awesome. You get a transparent, it looks like, oh, we're gonna have to definitely check all this out. So here's the battery. Looks like a heavy duty battery. You get even more ammo. You get a charger cable for the battery. Looks like a grip of, well, I'm not quite sure. We'll have to check that out as well. And this is it, and this looks like a big monster. This is definitely a monster. Wow. Really nice, guys. That looks like it can hold a ton. So let's go ahead and actually test this out. Okay guys, this works as a front grip. So let's show you guys how you would hold that. So like this, works as an extra grip. That's really nice, guys. So guys, this acts as a storage for storing more ammo. So you just place it in like this, pull this back, drop it down in, and then push it back, and that stores more ammo. So once you're done, you can then fill your hopper with that ammo. Pretty awesome. So guys, this slides on from the front. So it slides on like this, and you push it the whole way back, and then you turn this to lock it in place. Then you slide this open to put your ammo inside here. So that's what holds your ammo right inside there. All right guys, for your battery, once you have this on and it's locked in, you can actually move this whole thing and take this whole thing off, and your battery goes right in there. So so far they make everything simple. And then your battery drops down inside here. You then tuck your wire down inside, don't let it get pinched. And then when you're sliding this, you're good to go. Here's your on and off button right back here. So it does have a little sting to it. So it stings, you know, at close range. It does sting, so be careful. Now it's not, you know, the world's worst sting once you feel it, but it does sting, so just keep that in mind. So far it's performing pretty flawlessly. It's not jamming, so that's a plus. So it does shoot pretty far as well, actually really far. So if you guys can see, you can definitely hit targets far away. So guys, overall it's great. I like it. It's definitely doesn't have a lot of issues that some of the other ones do. So a lot of them jam. This one does not jam. So overall I do like it. It definitely gets a Scott pass. It's definitely better than some of the other ones that I've reviewed. Definitely a good brand. They're definitely really focus on actually getting things right, while other companies are just focused on knocking them out and making knockoffs. This company's definitely doing a good job.